Our comprehensive CPN software and training package is meticulously updated to include all legally compliant methods and essential documentation for establishing and maintaining a legitimate commercial standing. Unlike common resources available online, our proprietary techniques are exclusive and not accessible through platforms like YouTube. With the evolving landscape of credit privacy, we've adapted to ensure you're fully equipped. This do-it-yourself package encompasses all the necessary tools for launching and optimizing your new credit ventures effectively. This package includes credit enhancement services with 5 new clean privacy file numbers to help you get started in managing new files for you and your clients. Our personalized, one-on-one screen share training ensures you're equipped with the most current and effective strategies. This direct approach guarantees you understand the right way to proceed, tailored specifically to your needs. Learn how to register a new credit file with the IRS the right way is an essential step in proper file management. We will provide you step-by-step success instructions for generating credit scores on any credit privacy file. Additionally, multiply the power of a credit privacy file by building business credit with a CPN attached as a personal guarantor. You will get advanced bonus guides and a curated trade line and vendor lists for additional approvals. You will get access to our insider public records spreadsheet with full domains list, plus many exclusive bonus education and training resources not found anywhere else. Learn all the methods that has made LegalNewCreditFile.com a success in providing our privacy services to the industry all these years with our complete Secret to Wealth series volumes 1 through 3. The Secret to Wealth Volume 1 shows you step-by-step how to establish your new businesses with advanced and current methods. In the Secret to Wealth Volume 2, we cover how to build $50,000+ in business credit step-by-step. Banks are required by law to lend to new businesses, and now you will know how to assert your right to claim funds. In the Secret to Wealth Volume 3, we detail the specifics of how a clean and legal credit privacy number is generated. You learn how the number is established and not associated with the live master file at the Social Security Administration. Be assured that you are not using anyone's social ever, living or deceased. Armed with this highly kept secret allows you to generate a new credit file in under 1 hour. Be apartment ready in 10 days from file creation date. Obtain credit cards and vehicles in 30 days. If you or your clients need a brand new vehicle, enjoy walking in and getting approved. If you know the current legal methods and guidelines while having all the legal paperwork necessary to defend your legal status and standing in commerce to contract in this way, you cannot be denied. Do you or your clients need a new place to live? You will be able to get anyone approved. Do you need revolving credit with high limits? Do you need a new bank account? All easily approved. Being able to create a clean new credit profile 100% legally for you or your clients will change your lives. Are you ready for change? Having access to better living and working conditions is really a big deal, especially if you have children. Just because the super-rich elites, celebs, sports players, doctors, lawyers, and people in Congress use this method for privacy and protection does not mean you can't use it too. Imagine the power that comes from literally writing your own ticket. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start aging your new privacy files and businesses into financial maturity. Get started today.